Do you struggle with trying to gain accurate position? Well, if you do, this video is for you. Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. What you're going to learn today is the most powerful way I found to understand English as well as stun. I'm going to show you a shot that's duplicated in how we can gain position by just a little bit of tip movement as well as speed on the stroke. So without further ado, let's get into it. The goal is to shoot the identical shot, yet gain position to these targets. First of all, I want to show you that I'm going to mark two locations with paper reinforcement so I can duplicate the shot. Now let me say this. We only use this when we're trying to discover how to apply English and how to judge stun. Once we learn this drill, we can then move on to continuation drills where we don't have any paper reinforcements and we just have to play position off what we've learned here. In order to save time on this video, you'll notice that I'm only shooting it from one side of the table. This being said, I would recommend that you move the ball from one side to the other and mark both locations so you can duplicate the shot once again. Now that I've explained the parameters of this exercise, let me demonstrate how we can shoot a duplicated shot yet gain position to both targets with different travel paths for the cue ball.
What you'll see me do here is shoot 6 shots where I shoot from the 8 and gain position to the 9. After these 6 shots, I'm going to show you a cue ball with a tip position indicator on it. I'm also going to pull 2 shots from the 6. That would be the 3rd shot right here, as well as the 4th shot here. As you perform this exercise, you're going to discover that tip position as well as speed will go hand in hand. Because of this, it will be up to you to determine the tip position you choose along with the speed and stroke of the shot to gain position. Now let's take a look at shot 3. I want to pull this one up because there's something that we need to discuss here. Let's take a look at the cue ball travel after it contacts the first cushion. Did you catch that? We're going to take a look at this again in slow motion. Notice how the cue ball had masse as it came off the first cushion. The reason for this was the speed of the shot as well as the top spin we applied, even though we applied a little bit of left-hand English. Now let's break down shot number 4. And once again, I want you to take a look at the cue ball travel. As with shot 3, shot number 4 also had a bit of masse as it came off the first cushion. Now let's talk about tip position. Notice that I have the cue ball up there showing the tip position, but understand this, because of the speed of the shot and the stun involved, the tip position is pretty difficult for me to show you. It's really going to be up to you to apply the tip position and the speed and the spin that you strike the shot to determine position play. This is a very powerful exercise that will teach you the physics of this shot, which will help you in your overall pool game. If you have any questions concerning this exercise, please leave them in the comments section below. I'll answer every one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.